H is for Happysaurus. A is for Angrysaurus.
I hate being first.
B is for Bravosaur. Tries things even when she's scared. C is for Carnotaurus. Keeps his cool. D is for Determinedicus. Doesn't give up. E is for Embarrassdodon. Hopes no one noticed. Oops. F is for Frightened Ochus. Fears the worst. G is for Guilty of Us. Knows he's in the wrong. H is for Happysaurus. Is one delighted dino. I is for Impatient Tops. Hates to wait. I want to finish my puzzle now! J is for Jellosaurus. Wants what others have. K is for Kindodon. Is considerate and caring. L is for Lazysaur. Loves to lie down. M is for Moody Mimus. Gets in a grump.
Is this alphabet over yet?
N is for Naughty Tops. Is badly behaved. O is for Optimisticus. Looks on the bright side. My glass is half full. P is for Playful Saw. Is full of fun. Q is for Quiet Titan. Likes life less loud. R is for Rudosaurus Rex. Says rude things.
You smell.
S is for Surprisedosaur. Is easily startled. T is for Thoughtful Titan. Thinks of others. Dig in, guys. U is for Unhappysaurus. Is glum and gloomy. It's nearly the end of the book. V is for Victorious Raptor. Works hard to win. W is for Worriedus. Wishes things would go well. X is for Excited Onyx. Is extra eager. Y is for Yucky Saw. Has horrible habits. Z is for Xenosaurus. Feels relaxed. Do you know your alphabet?